Hi, it's Karen here from KFT Jewellery, and today I'm going to tell you a really quick and easy way to clean matte or textured jewellery. This is an orchid pendant that is actually my mother's, and I cleaned it initially using the method that I showed you last week that works really well for high shine and the majority of silver jewellery. But you can see around the edges here, these outer petals have got a sort of a yellowy, slightly tarnished cast. So I'm going to show you a technique of how to get rid of this. All you need for this is a bowl of water, a cheap toothbrush, and the secret ingredient is toothpaste. I have got a charcoal activated toothpaste here. It's a little bit more abrasive, and I tested this first on my Primrose collection and it came up an absolute treat, so this is my preferred method. So all you do is you stick a little bit of the toothpaste onto the brush and give it a good old rub over the areas that are tarnished. Now the thing with any sort of toothpaste is that they would all work to a certain degree, but they all are mildly abrasive. So I would be a little bit wary of using this technique too much over high shine silver, because you might find after a while it's not got such a high shine anymore. You can see now that really has come up like magic. So there's the pendant all dried off, and you can see it really has come up as good as new, just like magic. And it's got a really cool minty fresh smell too.